Since you are going home with a trophy today, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
Yeah. Tell me, why did you choose boxing?
It was first I did the kickboxing and I did the boxing to help with it, but eventually over time it became my first choice.
Yeah.
I just enjoyed it more.
Who's training you on daily basis?
Coach Deva, he's in the building
Yeah.
right now. He's my coach.
Okay, I understand you did kickboxing and then you moved to. What would you say attracted you to be in boxing and leave kickboxing?
Just what caused me to leave the kickboxing is just it wasn't proper. I didn't I couldn't kick in the first place.
Yeah.
And it wasn't as serious as boxing is.
Yeah.
It wasn't as proper, can I say that?
Yeah, and from your team, the Rustenburg Amateur Boxing, how many are you that are training every day?
Usually not around 10 people come training.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And how old are you now?
I'm turning 14.
You're turning 14. When are you turning 14?
3rd October.
3rd of October. Now you are a champion. What's next? What are you looking forward to now? Because you've just won a trophy today.
What I'm looking forward to is when there's an upcoming Gauteng tournament.
Yeah.
I want to win a trophy there.
Yeah.
That's where I want to be.
Fantastic stuff. Daddy, you are here. Your son is a champion. Surely you are a proud parent today.
Yes, very much. And hard work pays off at the end of the day. So I want to congratulate my son. He works hard, and obviously you can see the proof is in the pudding.
Yeah, that is true. But when he chose to transition from kickboxing to now doing boxing on full-time basis, what was your thinking there? What were your immediate thoughts?
Initially, as I said, he previously did kickboxing and karate, and he came to me and said, "You want to do the boxing?" We did the boxing to improve his kickboxing style, and at the end, the boxing was the thing that stick. And he came to us and said, he actually just want to do the boxing now, and we sat around the table and we decided this is what we're gonna do.
Yeah, talking about him being in boxing, is there any appetite of this type of sport in Rustenburg, in the area that you are from?
Yeah, definitely. We've got a lot of youngsters practicing there, and you can see the good results from the Rustenburg club and his coach Dewald Prinsloo.
Yeah.
So the boxers that's been selected all are doing well. So the moment they are selected to compete in a tournament, they do well. So
I mean, Hendri, you're the father to the young man now. What are you aiming for him to achieve?
well, on the on the short term, for the year we want to compete as much as possible in further tournaments, and next year you will be competing for the SAs.
Yeah, I know. Talking about the SAs, now that he is still in amateur level, what type of support? Is there any monetary support from the home that you have to always maybe chip out something for him to always train at the level that is good?
Yeah, he trains 4 days a week, and as I said, it is a full-time training. He's focused, so there's not enough time for anything else. It is basically, he's committed to it. So that is what we stick to, is his commitment to boxing.
Yeah. And then how do you help him to balance school and sports?
Yeah, it's a fine line, but we manage his schedules, and he's got, especially now when it's exams, there's certain times that he's scheduled to learn and focused on academic, but it must be in such a way also that he must do his training, and also it's a balance. At the end, everything must be balanced, but you cannot leave out training. there must be time scheduled for it.
Yeah, we are commemorating Youth Month. I don't know, any message do you have for other parents who are there, who have kids but maybe are not supporting them, but maybe you'll find that kids are passionate about sports? What would you love to say to them?
You must focus on what your child wants to do.
Yeah.
And don't force them to compete in a sport that they don't want to. If they want to and they've committed to it, then support them with everything you've got.
Thank you, sir.